In this video, we'll guide you through the process of placing an order in MyEmerson. To start, log into your MyEmerson account and add your desired products to cart. If you have a specific model number in mind, you can use the Add Products button to include it directly into your cart. After adding all of your items to cart, click on the green checkout button on the right side of your screen to proceed with your purchase. Continue by adding the necessary shipping details, specifying your country of destination, and providing the required billing information. If you're using a purchase order, enter the PO into the designated text box and upload a copy of your PO by selecting Attach Purchase Order. Upon completing all the required fields and reviewing your order, simply finalize the process by clicking on the green Place Order button. A confirmation email will be sent to you confirming that your order has been successfully placed. To check the status of your order, visit your My Accounts page and click on the Orders section. There, you can find updates on the progress of your order. And that's how you seamlessly place an order using MyEmerson.